Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick how to play Assetto Corsa with friends using LAN property. So here's how to do Assetto Corsa with friends using LAN. First, ensure that all players are on the same network and have matching game versions, including any mods or DLCs so you plan to use. Start by designating one computer as the host and launch the game in a LAN server. Mode, configuring your track, of course, car selection, and race settings. Next is friends can join them by scanning the network or manually entering the host's IP address, and make sure to disable firewalls or allow the game through them to avoid connection loss. Once everyone is in, synchronize race settings, apply any custom rules, and run a quick test section to check for a lag or desync.